To connect a bank account to your PayPal account, it's actually very simple. So the first thing we need to do is to open our web browser, and you want to go to the PayPal login page and you want to log into your account. In this case, I'm going to use my NordPass password manager, which you can get with the link in the description. So once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your PayPal dashboard, which will look something like this. So to add a bank account to your PayPal, all you need to do is click on the Pay and Get Paid tab just at the very top, and then you want to click on the Money link underneath the Wallet menu. From here, it's going to give you an overview of how much money you've currently got in your account, along with the currencies with it. If we scroll down slightly, it's going to give you a list of your bank accounts and cards connected. So to link a new bank account, all we need to do is click on this Link a New Bank Account card. And from here, you just want to select whether it's a business or personal account, and you just want to enter in your bank account and sort code number here. Once you've done this, you want to click on Agree and Link. By linking your bank account, PayPal will need to make 2 small deposits that's less than £1 or $1 and receive one of them in one withdrawal. This may take a couple of working days to do so, but once they've done this, they've verified that your bank account is real and it will be successfully connected to your PayPal account. Once your bank account has been linked, you can go ahead and start transferring money between your PayPal account and your bank account. And that is how you link your bank accounts to your PayPal account. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.